Hey there! Imagine making as much as $179,000 a month on YouTube. If you think running a YouTube channel isn't serious business, well today I'm going to unveil how to turn your YouTube into a full-fledged online business and what YouTube automation is all about.
Let's go!
Watch the video all the way through and you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to boost your income by 10 times and more. Hey, it's Mike Ross. Here, we break down the most effective hacks for growing YouTube channels and making money on them. I've built 9 successful channels, bringing in over $100,000 each month. Not long ago, I was a newbie YouTuber, green and uncertain, but now, with colossal experience, I'm turning channels into cash machines in just 3 to 4 months. And I'm ready to share all of my knowledge with you so you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube. I've developed a unique method and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube.
Let's do this.
Surely you've had thoughts. I want to earn decent money. It would be cool to have an online business, but darn, I don't have money to invest. I don't want to be a blogger and starting is hard, time-consuming, unclear on what to do.
I feel lost.
A few years ago, I thought similarly, but then I decided to give it a try. I created a channel, gained immense experience, conquered my uncertainty and fears, and most importantly, I learned how to automate the work of a YouTube channel. How to level it up to make more money. That's the essence of automation. Create a clear set of actions that will lead us to results most efficiently. The first thing crucial for automation is understanding how the YouTube algorithm works. Regardless of how you make money on YouTube, the more viewers watch you, the better. What parameters does the algorithm consider? Click-through rate, the CTR. Will anyone click on your video? CTR sends positive or negative signals to recommendation system. To boost clicks, make an attractive thumbnail. Stay tuned and I'll give you an effective tool for that. The watch time. Will anyone watch your video? Even if someone clicks on an attractive thumbnail, they might not be interested in the content. To keep viewers engaged, you need compelling content.
I found it compelling.
Engagement. Does anyone like your video? Do they comment and hit the like button? Positive signals for YouTube that viewers like your content. If your videos get lots of reactions, your ranking will be higher and the algorithm will recommend your videos more often. The second crucial aspect of increasing your YouTube income is the methods you plan to use. There are 10 options. YouTube ads. This is where the platform pays for views on your video. Essentially, YouTube shares the revenue it gets from advertisers with you. Your payment is calculated using the CPM model, cost per millennium, meaning you're paid for 1,000 views. However, rates vary based on the country, niche, and the highest CPM countries have. Average rates range from $1 to $30. Consider this not just for a single video, but imagine if you have 10 or even 100 videos with views increasing every day. For instance, the Brightside channel gets over 46 million views, earning around $179,000 every month. And that's just from one monetization option. Paid sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands might approach you directly to promote their products.
Take this!
The rate depends on your subscriber count, views, and the sum you believe is fair for the promotion. BodyHub took it a step further, collaborating with manufacturers of dietary supplements for physical activities. Affiliates. These are partnership programs where you place links to products in your video description. It could even be an educational course. This method is beneficial because with a single link beneath your video, you can earn for years. Quantum Tech is an example casually placing several affiliate links under their videos. I'm afraid to even imagine how much they can earn additionally with such a quantity of products. It could be $10,000 to $20,000 every day. Check out my video with the top-rated 10 most profitable niches by following the link in the description to create the most successful YouTube channel. Channel membership. Similar to mentoring via a website, it allows your subscribers to contribute, and in return, you share special videos, emojis, badges, and more. It's not something to think about in the beginning, but it's worth using later on. Patronage. This involves platforms like Patreon. Here, you can distribute your work via a paid subscription or provide additional content to your subscribers. Merchandise. If you've built a powerful and engaging brand with your content, your audience will want to interact with it by buying your products. It's recommended to use this method after your channel has more than 10,000 subscribers. On average, it can bring in an additional $4,000 to $20,000. The Motivation Hub channel has excelled in this. They even have their own page, Motiversity.com, with t-shirts starting at $34.99 and posters from $80. With 100 similar purchases, you could earn from $3,400 to $8,000. And what are 100 purchases with 2 million views? That's 0.005%, one person out of 20,000. The posters are good. I even want one for myself. Like this video for sharing this crucial information to increase your earnings on your YouTube channel. Super features. This includes Super Chat, Super Stickers, and Super Thanks, designed for channels that enjoy live broadcasts. Either way, it's better to start with videos on your channel before getting into live streams. These features appear under your video, and by clicking Thank, viewers can donate to support your channel. YouTube Shorts Fund. They used to pay for shorts, but now there is a real fund for it. So each short now has a CPM. Shorts might not bring as much money as regular videos, but they can draw attention to your channel. YouTube Premium. When people watch your videos through YouTube Premium, you still get paid for it, even if they don't watch ads.
Oh my God!
YouTube Brand Connect. This is YouTube's latest service. YouTube Brand Connect brings together brands and YouTube creators for content campaigns. Audience trust creators when it comes to product recommendations. Brand Connect can also help organize projects with partnerships. Well, there you have it. We've covered 10 monetization methods. So, you've got a successful channel, and now you're wondering, should you unleash all 10 monetization methods? And how much can they really help you rank in the dollars? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Let's exchange ideas so everyone can take away some golden nuggets. Now, the third key to automating that sweet income from your channel is content creation. And to do that, you've got to wield the most effective tools in the game. For creating eye-catching thumbnails, I recommend flexing your creative muscles in Canva, Snappa, or PaintNet. They've got a vast range of functionalities and a plethora of high-quality templates, especially in Canva. When it comes to content creation, you might need diverse photos and videos. The go-to choices are the free stock services like Pexels and Pixabay, but there are plenty more out there. Feel free to pause and screenshot this list. And for that musical vibe, hit up YouTube Audio Library. It's a gold mine of tunes, and the filtering system makes finding the perfect genre or mood a breeze. Now for video editing. My personal favorite is DaVinci. You can download it for free from their official site. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but if you've dabbled in other editors, you'll find out that it's a game changer. In principle, there are other programs, but in my opinion, they are less user-friendly and have fewer features. And hey, if you ever hit a roadblock, YouTube's got your back with tons of tutorials on every query. You see how easy it is? That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube Money Hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. This is Mike Ross, wishing you epic YouTube Hackers days. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.